In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a main menu using crazy elements on your Prestashop, utilizing the Prestashop Elementor page builder. Let's dive in and transform your store's navigation with ease and style. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Prestashop admin dashboard. You'll need to enter your email and password to access the system securely. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on the Login button. This action will redirect you to the Prestashop back office dashboard, a place where the magic of managing your online store happens. Now that you're on the dashboard, let's head over to the Design tab. Clicking on this will display a variety of theme-related options. Next, select Theme Modules. This option will lead you to the area where you can configure various parts of your theme, which includes your homepage setup. Within the page configuration, locate Homepage. Clicking on this will allow you to access settings related to the main menu. Now, go ahead and click on Main Menu Configure. This is where you can start customizing your menu to fit your brand's needs. You'll find yourself on the configuration page. Here, you can start adding categories, essential pages like About Us, or even custom links. If you want to include a category, simply select it from the drop-down menu and hit Add. For those who need custom links, type in the label and URL, then click Add to include it in your menu. As your menu starts to take shape, you may need to change the order of items. This can easily be done by selecting an item and choosing Change Position. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop the item to its new location. Removing an item is just as straightforward. Click on the item you wish to remove and select Remove. Remember to save all the changes you've made by clicking on the Save button. This ensures your menu updates are applied and visible to your visitors. Furthermore, you might want to enhance your menu with a search bar for better user navigation. This can be added through the module's configuration as well. Consider the positioning of the module within your theme. It should integrate well with other elements such as the header and footer for a seamless visual experience. If you're looking for more customization, you can utilize the Elementor Page Builder widget. Don't worry if you don't have it yet, you can easily install the Elementor Page Builder from the module marketplace. With these steps, you've successfully upgraded your Prestashop main menu using crazy elements. Your store's navigation is now more intuitive and aligned with your brand's aesthetics. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most of your Prestashop experience.